between character array initialization and character pointer initialization. So give title difference between character array initialization and character pointer initialization. So what is the character array initialization? Character array is equal character a of is equal to I will take hello. This is called my character array initialization. And character pointer, that means character star p is equal to capital hello. So this is my character pointer initialization. So we have to see the difference between character array initialization and character pointer initialization. So write down with me. I will explain also and write down with me. So we will save time. Okay. So I will write down like this. Character A of array is equal to hello. So this one, and character star p is equal to hello. So here A is array and here this is pointer. What is the size of A? What is size of A? Aditi Punam Prasad, can you try? What will be the size of A? Okay, I will give you time after this for writing. So you can tell me now what will be the size of A. And what will be the size of pointer? Is 4 bytes. Size of A is HELLO, then slash 0 is. Then next is the memory layout. So this is my array HELLO, then slash 0 A of 0, A of 1. This is the address range 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. So this is my address. So here pointer is storing the address. So this string is stored at different location. That address pointer will store. So for example, my pointer address is 500. Pointer address I will take as a 2000. My pointer address is suppose 2000 and hello, capital hello string is stored at 500 location. So this is the exact memory representation of this, and here 500 is stored in this pointer. So character star p is equal to hello. That means hello is stored at different location. That address is stored inside my pointer. So pointer role is clear. Pointer is storing the address only. That address is the directly stored from the string. So that strings, whatever the location, that will store into the pointer. So my string is location at the 500, 5 not one like this one, and my pointer location is 2000. So this is my pointer's address, and whatever the address stored, this is 500. Because of that reason, my pointer size is 4 bytes. Okay, write down this, then we will move to the next. So this is the very bigger difference. This part completed first line. So I will move the yes. So first we will complete the, then only we will start, or you can suggest me. You have to write with me, or first I will complete, then you will write.
We can write with you.
Okay, okay, that's great. We can save time. So whenever you have any question, you can feel free to ask me. So at the middle of that. Okay. Next difference is, suppose I will do printf percentage u, that is the unsigned format of the address. We can print percentage d or u. Here I will print a. So what I will get? I will get here 100, right? Address of A. Array name represent the base address of that array. So I will get here 100, that is the address of A. Here P, that means I will get the 500, not 2000. Here I will get the 500. Suppose I will do printf percentage u address of A, then also I will get 100. But here suppose I will do printf percentage u, then address of P, then what I will get here?
2000.
Right. Next, suppose I will do printf percentage s comma a, then what will be my output? And printf percentage s comma p. So I am printing my string format array. So it will print hello. Here it will print capital hello. Then next, suppose I will do printf percentage c, that is the format of character a of 1. Then I will get what is my output. And printf percentage c p of 1. Then what will be my output? Here my output is small e and here my output is capital E.
Yes.
Right? Then printf percentage c star a plus 1 and printf percentage c star p plus 1. So this is already we have seen. So 100, 200, I can say that is the a plus 1, a plus 2, a plus 3 like this way. And once you will put star before this, so that will give you the value. If you will not put a star, that will give you the address. So this is already we have seen. So it will give me small e and here also it will give me capital E. So day one we have seen this a of I is equal to I of A is equal to star a plus I. So this is where we have already seen. So that rules here works. Next is printf percentage C star a plus 1 and here printf percentage C star p plus 1. So characters are stored in its ASCII value, right? Here star a, what I will get? Only star a. Prasad, Aditi, Punam. What will be my output if I will print here only star a in the format of character? So it will give me small h, right? But characters are stored in its ASCII value. Suppose I will do print a percentage d star a, then I will get that ASCII number. Then I will do star a
Yes.
plus 1. Star a plus 1, that means it will give small I. That ASCII
Hmm.
will increment with 1. So A B C D E F G H I. So my output will be here I, small I. So I will erase these boxes. So here star A plus 1. This is I have not put in bracket. If I will put in bracket, then my address will increment. Then here my data will increment. So here also I will get capital I. Next, you have to give me answer. Suppose I will do a plus plus, then what will be my output?
J.
How?
Increment value of
Here we have
is
not stored value. Here we have a printer, only print. And I will do here p plus plus. Okay. Then this part all the completed. So I will do till here. Okay. So one rule I have already told that we will never able to do array increment. If we will do, then it compiler will generate error because array is treated as a constant pointer. When we do a plus plus, at that time my compiler will treat it as a constant pointer. So because a is treated as a constant pointer, here p plus plus p is not an error. So what is constant pointer? Suppose I will take like this way, character star const p, star and p, in between we will write constant. That is called constant pointer. We have already seen this. So here p generate error. P++ will generate error. So here array name represent base address, and here string, that is pointer storing the string, that string name represent, that pointer name represent base address. Okay, so write down till this, then I will move up. Next is the most important. You need to know about this. So first I will write down, then only you will write. So I will give you time for writing. Next we can do a plus 1 is equal to z. So here no error. What happened here? My a of 1, that is HELLO, that E will replace with the Z. So here there is no error. It will store, my output will be HZLLO. So that's okay. But here if I will do P of 1 is equal to Z, so this is not possible. Here it will generate segmentation fault. Why? So I will draw the memory layout of this. Suppose this here I will draw. Suppose this is my P location in memory. So P have stored the 500 address. Then my H E. So this is the RAM area. Then slash 0 suppose. So this is my array area. And this is my capital HELLO is stored. So this is my 500 location. Then 501, then 502, then 503, then 504 and 505. Okay, so this is my string is stored, this is address is stored in the pointer, in this whole thing. But hello is initialized in the read only section. So capital hello is initialized in the code section. So what is code section? Code section in the memory. So we have already seen the memory layout of C program, that is the stack section, data section, heap section, and code section. Code section is also called as a text section, and text section is also called as a read only section. Read only section, that means we can only read, we cannot able to write, modify that. So when we initialize, at the time it will get the memory, automatically data will stored, we cannot able to write on that. So when we initialize this character star p is equal to hello, then my this string will store into the code section, and whatever the starting address of that, it will store inside my pointer. So here my that starting address is 500 is stored in my pointer, and this string is written inside the code section. So that is the initialize read only section. If we initialize a character pointer with one string, That initialized string in a GCC compiler is stored inside the code section. What is the code section? Code section is only read only section. So if we initialize a character pointer with one string, that initialized string, that initialized string in GCC stored in a code section, not code section only, read only section. So whatever your read data, text data is stored inside the code section. So write down this. Once you complete, inform me. Suppose next we will do P is equal to A. So here, whatever the address of array we are storing into the pointer. So this is valid. So pointer is pointing to array address. But we cannot do A is equal to P. So here syntactical error. So a pointer role is clear. Pointer is storing the address, but array is not storing the address. Array name represent the base address, but array is storing the data. So here we are trying to store the address into the array, then it will give me syntactical error. So we cannot able to direct store A is equal to MNO. We have to store mm, like this way, character A of 10, then MNO is okay. But directly we can store character A is equal to MNO in the format of array. First we have take array of 10. Directly, suppose we have take array of 10 and we are writing this A is equal to MNO. So this is not okay. So here it will generate error. But in the case of pointer P is equal to MNO, so here it will not generate error. It will create one space in the, here it will not generate error. What here it will do? It will create one space in the code section and make the here MNO is a string. Okay. And next, this is the last difference, star A plus plus and star P plus plus. So A plus plus is not possible. Directly we cannot do A plus plus. So here it will generate error. And here this is possible. Here it will not generate error. So value will increment with the 1. But suppose I will do star A in the bracket then plus plus. This is possible or not?
Possible.
Yes, this is possible because star A, that means my H will increment with the 1. So that will be my I. So my output string is the IELLO. So star A plus plus, that means my output is IELLO. Here it will not generate any error. But here star P plus plus. So here segmentation fault. This error will generate at the Runtime. This is runtime error. Compile time you will not get any error, but when you run your code, at that time you are doing the star p then plus plus. So it will runtime error will segmentation fault will come. So segmentation fault that means whatever address you have stored that pointer is not able to find. That is the unauthorized memory you are trying to access. So this is the difference between character array and character pointer. So inform me once you complete this, then we will move to the VS Code. Okay. So next, you have tried anytime. So I will write like this code, then character as of 20. So you scan any space anytime. So once you are doing the practice at that time, suppose I will write here enter the string. PNF percentage S and S printf percentage S and S. We are not able to scan space in this program. Suppose I will do this. Suppose I will print here hello world. My output is only hello. Space that is considered as a slash zero. So you have to write in scanf instead of this scanf. So there is two different solutions. So one is the scanf. Then you have to write percentage in bracket XOR dash n. So once you will write percentage in bracket XOR slash n, then as now you are able to scan space. So my output is hello world. Okay. So write down this. So space are not scan. So this is the format specifier for we can scan the spaces from the user. So write down this once you complete inform me. So for string we are not using the scanf and printf generally. So for string we are using that the standard functions are available. Scanf and printf we are using only for normal array, normal data printf. For string we have the standard functions are the I will comment down this part. Suppose you are um, working on the Eclipse IDE and you want the shortcut for this. Suppose I want to comment multiple line. So that shortcut is Control Shift and the this what I can say slash in your keyboard. So you have to press three buttons. In VS Code that shortcut is not working, but in Eclipse IDE that's working. Okay. So next for scanning string we have get s is the function. So we can write get s and printing string we have a put s. So here is the program character s of 20 printf enter the string then you will scan the string from user. Then after put s that is the printing the string on the. So this is like printf percentage s comma s. So I will run this code. So my string is hello world. So my output is hello world and hello world. So here this is the printf and putS is similar like printf. So once you go into the getS function, it is also taking your string address and that is the returning the alias. This is are the predefined functions of that. And putS, this is also taking the pointer and then after. So where is the function? I don't know. But like this way, it's working similar like printf. So getS and putS two are the functions that will scan the string and print the string. So whenever you need the spaces, so don't use this or this. You can directly use get string. Okay, next we have to start function, but today we have not enough time. So we will start functions chapter from tomorrow. So please complete whatever we have completed till now. All the things complete. I will give you assignment also on the array part. Now we have completed the array. We will move to the functions. Then after we will come back to again. We will come back to again the string part, and then we will make our own string function. Then we will see the how predefined functions are working on like this way. And then next we will again move to the pointer and array, that is the double pointer and the double array within the array. So that concepts. So we'll go one by one steps. Any questions so far? No. Then I will stop the recording.